Now we're gonna press slowly the lever. See, there it comes. And press and open, close, open, close. Press and open, close. And because this is a really tiny reservoir, I have to be careful not to pump air into it. Don't like it how slow this gonna get it off first and clean this. That's done. Do that first. So. Perhaps they have some old sticky grease. Could be, yeah. That's the problem. Yeah. See. There. We're gonna clean that first with some petrol. It's really because you're doing your own maintenance, you feel things like this more, yeah, better. There is some old sticky grease in this handle, which make it, yeah, not go good. Much better. I'm gonna dry it, put some oil. Wait a minute, perhaps. Yes, there is a spring. Be careful, and you can take it apart. Ah, the spring is. Oh no, that's the spring. Now I can give it a much better clean. See that bronze bushing. Okay, then see, old. So see. Now it's also shiny on the inside, and that's what I want. And then we have this one. I'm gonna do the same. much better. Spring to now. I already noticed that here, this one is, clean that too up. It gets better in and out, and then the handle can also do this. So while we're at it, we're cleaning that too. Yeah, it's not that difficult, guys. Now we do the part on the motorbike too. On the handle. Let's see. Bit of petrol. And we have that. Yeah, what is it? Thing. It's really, looks like it's glue. On the ground. Then, first I'm gonna use some oil and get it in all those turning points, and especially over here. Oh, just a drop of oil and it already goes better. Filthy. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Put some more in. I want to go that better than this. Also put a bit of oil on this side in. It's already black. It's bone dry. So, not with me. Yeah, not sure. Yes. Clean it as I'm not sure what stuff comes out, but put some oil in this joint too. Yeah, let's see. Okay, now, yes, yep, okay, now guys, for this application I have special grease. It's called EP, extra pressure, or I'm gonna do over there. This is grease for those kind of applications. So, now, let's put it together and see how good it is now. This one. Okay, this out of the way. Some grease here, a bit there, more, not too much, but and on this thing, the piston for the brake. It has a rub here too, so I'm gonna put some grease over there too. Now, push it a bit in. Okay, tight. Then we have a locking nut. Goes over here. Okay. Yeah, that's clean, especially here. Yeah, see. Now, there was a quick in between. See? This is how a brake lever should go back. This is just a bit of attention, some love, that's all. It was like this. Now, we continue.